Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this, the Club, original Club, model number 1000. Prevents your car from getting stolen. I know these are old school, but I definitely always put one on my truck. They're stolen a lot. So, yeah, there's the packaging, 2 keys. Let's get into it. I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can order this from. I gotta take this. Oh, sorry. Gotta use scissors to get into this guy. Let me open this. Oh, sorry. Bumped into the tripod while trying to open this. All right. Oh. Sorry, definitely need scissors to power through this. So doing that off camera. See, look at my progress. Oops. Getting there. Oh, shoot. Almost. Oh my gosh. We did it! Let's go. Let me actually put this back together. Jeez. I might need to use the key to get this back together. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I have the original on my truck. It's nice protection. Cool. Let me know what you guys think of this product in the comment section below. And again, I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can order this from. Hope you're all doing well and catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.